Meaning of embezzle.
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 Embezzle. Embezzle means to steal or misappropriate funds or property that has been entrusted to one's care. This can refer to taking money from an employer, diverting charitable donations for personal use, or any similar act of dishonesty. The consequences of embezzlement can be severe, ranging from termination of employment in civil lawsuits to criminal charges and imprisonment. Embezzlement can also damage one's personal and professional reputation, making it difficult to secure future employment or financial opportunities. It is a serious offense that can have long-lasting effects on both the victim and the perpetrator.